right, today we are going into our volume and surface area. We're going into our geometry unit. I'm going to review some things over perimeter and area. Remember, perimeter is where you add up all the sides. All right, so for the perimeter of a rectangle, eight plus 10, remember, and it has other sides, they're not going to always give a number. 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10, add those up. You use your calculator. And we get 36. The perimeter is 36. All right, for the area of a rectangle, I gave you a formula chart in Canvas, but you can always search it on your phone. Just search up 8th grade formula chart and have that always handy because we're going to be using the area formulas. We're going to be using the surface area formulas and the volume formulas for the next few weeks. So have that handy or print it out off of Canvas or just keep on looking at it at Canvas. Okay, so for the area of a rectangle, so here's the area section. And we are going to look at rectangle right there, and it says A equals BH. So I would write the formula, A equals BH. The base is going to be 10, and the 8 is going to be, the height is going to be 8. So this is the base, and this is the height. And then two numbers side by side always means multiply. 8 times 10 is 80. It is 80, let's just say units squared. Okay. All right, for the perimeter of a rectangle, I'm going to add up all the sides, so 10 plus 8 plus 8. And that's 26. The area of a triangle, the area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 BH, or base times height divided by 2. So 1/2 BH. This is the base. This is the height. Okay, you need to remember that the right angle creates the height, but these 8s are distractor numbers when it comes to the area. Now we use them for perimeter, but when it comes to area, the right angle creates the height, so these are distractor numbers. So 1/2, the base is 10, and the height is 12. So 10 times 12 divided by 2. Which is 60. 60 units squared is the area of a triangle. Okay. If we were given the formula for an area of a triangle, let's just say the total area was 50 units squared. What is the height? What is the height when the base is 10? Okay, total area 50 units. What is the height? The base is 10. So if this was a triangle, so A equals 1/2 BH. Since they give us the area, I'm going to put 50 there. I'm going to leave 1/2 there. We don't know the height, so I'm going to leave h there. And the base is 10. All right, so I know this is already 10, or 10 divided by 2, so I'm going to say 5. H, and I'm going to bring that 50 down. And then to get rid of it, I'm going to divide that 50 out to get h by itself. And what I do to one side, I do to the other side. So 50 divided by 5 is 10. So the height is 10. So does it, to check myself if I'm correct, 1/2 be h, 1/2, 10. The base is 10, the height is 10. So 10 times 10 is 100, divided by 2 is 50. So it checks out. Okay? Now, you're going to do 2 quizzes assignments today to review perimeter and area.